Hello students, this is your Ruba ma'am. I welcome you back to online classes. This is your computer class. So children, in the previous video, if you remember, I have told you what is computer, then that how many parts are there in a computer, what are the important parts of a computer, that is monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. So in the previous video we have studied about monitor and keyboard in detail. So in this chapter in this video I'm going to tell you about the other two parts of the computer, that is central processing unit and mouse. Okay, so in this video we'll study two parts, that is central processing unit and mouse. So let's start, children. Central processing unit, or we can say CPU. CPU stands for central processing unit, or you can say the full form of CPU is central processing unit. CPU is called the brain of the computer. Now children, you must have heard in class 1 also you have studied that CPU is called the brain of the computer. Why it is called the brain of the computer? Because it does all the work, all the processing, all the work, all the information that you enter into the computer. This processor works on it, that CPU works on it to give you the output or the final result. So CPU is the main part of the computer, or you can say the most important part of the computer, or you can also say it is the brain of the computer, because it does all the calculations, all the works, all the processing is done here only. And keyboard and monitor are just the input and output devices. We enter the information through keyboard and the result is displayed on the monitor. But the most important thing which has to be done is done by CPU, that is the working on the data or the information that you entered into the computer. So CPU is very important part of the computer, and you can also say it is called the brain of the computer. Like your brain, it does all the work. Whenever I ask you anything, your brain thinks or answer of that question. So in the same way, whenever we put any information into the computer, the central processing unit, it starts working, it starts thinking of an answer, its process start, and then it give out the final result, or you can say yes, the final result, that is the output. So this was central processing unit. So let's see what are the main points of central processing unit. CPU stands for central processing unit. CPU is called brain of the computer. It helps a computer to think and do all its work. This is what I said just now. It also helps computer to remember things. It also remembers things. Whatever you store into the computer, it remembers all the things. It stores, everything is stored in the CPU. All the other parts of computer are attached to CPU by wires, and other parts of the computer, that is mouse and keyboard, are attached to it by the attached to the CPU by wires. Okay, you must have seen in the computer labs that mouse and keyboard are attached to the CPU by wires. So children, I hope you must have understood what is central processing unit. Please learn this. This is very important. It is the most important part of computer, that is the brain of the computer. So learn it. In the next video, I'm going to take up mouse and other parts of the computer, that is printer, CD and microphone. I thought of taking my mouse in this video only, but since the video is long, I will continue it in the other part of the video. So thank you for watching.